Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for anyone operating the powerful Agras T50 drone, the genuine Agras Drone T50 rear digital radar module. This isn't just any aftermarket part. It's presented as a 100% brand new, original accessory straight from the manufacturer. For drone operators, especially those using their equipment for demanding tasks like agricultural spraying, having reliable and authentic parts is absolutely essential for safety and performance. This specific module is designed as a direct replacement for the rear digital radar on the T50. If your original module has been damaged, perhaps from an impact or just wear and tear over time, this genuine part offers a straightforward solution. The description highlights that it's durable and easy to use, which are key factors when you're out in the field and need to minimize downtime. The ease of installation is also emphasized, suggesting that replacing the damaged original shouldn't be a complicated process, allowing operators to get their drone back in the air quickly. The product is described as having fine craftsmanship. This points to the quality of manufacturing, ensuring that the module not only fits correctly, but also functions precisely as intended by the drone's designers. Using a part with fine craftsmanship means you can trust its performance and integration with the complex systems of the Agras T50. Beyond just functionality, the description also mentions that it can make your device more beautiful. While beauty might not be the primary concern for a piece of radar equipment, this likely refers to restoring the drone's original, clean appearance by replacing a damaged or worn part with a pristine, new one. It ensures the drone looks professional and well-maintained. Durability is a recurring theme, with the module being described as wear-resistant and having a long lifetime. This is particularly important for a part exposed to the elements and potential bumps during operation. Knowing that a critical sensor like the rear radar is built to last provides peace of mind, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ensuring consistent performance over many flight hours. The rear digital radar is vital for obstacle detection and navigation, especially when flying backwards or in complex environments, so its reliability is paramount. Opting for a genuine, brand new original accessory like this module ensures compatibility and optimal performance, maintaining the high standards the Agras T50 is known for. It's an investment in the longevity and operational efficiency of your valuable drone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.